Right, so this drill is just to help you keep your pace up, particularly on short putts. So if you find yourself getting a sort of a little bit tentative, trying to baby the putt into the hole a little bit, okay, then this is a good drill. You can use T-pegs, okay, or you can also use an alignment stick. I'm going to show you both of them, right? So what we're going to do is just turn those tees upside down and put them just in front of the hole. Pretty simple. Okay, again, we're looking at short putts. Start obviously with straight uphill putts, and then you're going to work your way on your side hill putts after that. Okay, so just something like that, right on the entry line of the putt. Okay, and then pretty simple from there. You got to hit quite a few, and then you start to take your mind away from what the putt or what the ball is doing, and you start focusing on just hitting the tees. So you got to hit quite a few until you get in the rhythm of focusing more on the tees than actually what your putter is doing. Well, there's a good example, really, because if that putt was hit a little weaker, it would have missed. Okay, so because it was hit with good pace, it was just a hair right, but it nicked the right hand tee and obviously went in the hole. And so you go. Okay, and you start getting used to hitting your putts in with a bit of authority. Okay, so it's good to notice now, due to gravity, basically, but also slight imperfections, even on the best greens, as a ball runs out of speed, okay, it'll start to wobble. So if you saw as the ball stopped, it started wobbling. That one didn't wobble as much. There, you can see how that wobbles when it slows down. So if you're getting a bit tentative on your putts, okay, then your chances of holding it actually drop out quite dramatically, because the ball will wobble offline very easily. Okay, I do prefer the tees, but you can do it with an alignment stick as well. You just place that alignment stick just in front of the hole. Okay, a golf club, a shaft would be too big. It would be ramping the ball. Okay, and then once again, you're just trying to roll it over the alignment stick. It's got to carry some pace in order to get over the alignment stick and get in the hole. Okay, so either way you can do it. I prefer the tees because you can see how the ball reacts there. Visually, for me, I don't like it, but try out both and see what works for you. And then as you progress, we've got a little right to left, so you can start adding your side hill breaking putts. So as you progress, now when you put your tees, they're not going to be in the middle of the hole. They're going to be at the entry point. Okay, which for here would be, okay, if you're using the clock system, sort of 5:15. If you're using the compass system, what, southeast. Okay, southeast, let's keep it simple. It's not complicated game. Okay, so now we're starting it just on the right edge, letting it drifting, carry a bit of pace, knock the tees in, and go in the hole. Sounds so simple. I'll take that one. Sometimes that makes it easier because you don't have to reset the tees before you hit another putt. And you can see the pace those balls are going in the hole, so they're holding a true line. Also makes it easier to read greens, doesn't it? Okay, so give it a try. If you are struggling a little bit with keeping the pace up, getting a bit tentative on those short putts, and just remember, being tentative actually really drops out your percentage chance of making those putts. Okay, so some of it's mental, just going, I'm going to miss a few, but I'm going to commit, all right, to keeping that pace up, keeping good holing speed.